In this video, you will learn step by step how you can add your custom domain to Blogger. So the first thing we need to do once we are on our Blogger is we need to go to the left hand side bar here, scroll down, click on settings. Once we do this, you need to go down to where it says publishing, and you will now see an option for custom domain. Click on this. You then want to enter in your custom domain. So for example, it would be www.howtoonline.org. Once you enter it in just like this with the www, you need to click on save. Once you click on save, it will say that we have not been able to verify your authority to this domain. So don't worry about this. I will show you how you can fix this. So all we need to do is go ahead and add in some DNS records. Once we are on Namecheap, you need to go to the account in the top right hand corner, click on domain list, click on manage next to the domain. Now from here, you want to go to the top, go over and then select advanced DNS. So now what we need to do, we need to go to host records and then we want to click on add new record. Once we do this, you want to scroll down, select CNAME record. And then we now need to go back over to Blogger to get the information. So first of all, we need to enter in www and then you need to copy ghs.google.com. So the first one, if we go back to Namecheap, is www and then we can paste this into here. Now you need to add a new record, go down again to CNAME record, and from here we need to go back over to Blogger, and then what we need to do is we need to go to the second one. So this is the second one here, go over, and we now want to copy this, go back over to Namecheap, paste this in the host, go back to Blogger, and then you want to get the destination one, which is this one. So copy this, go back to Namecheap and paste this into the target. And then once you've added both of the CNAME records, you can simply click on the tick icon to save both of these. And then as you can see, you will then be able to go back to Blogger and then simply click on save. Once you click on save, what that will then do is it will then add this custom domain on your Blogger website. If this video has helped you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.